with a day of sunshine and mild 30s, which is all you can ask for the 1st of March in Ohio. I think the people showed up and showed out and really supported us. I'm very excited.
I've been coming to this event for the past several years, and I think it's just a wonderful event. I think it's grown exponentially. There's so many more bands, so many more stages.
It's great to have people come out here and have a good time and, party it up, but it's for a great cause, I think this one is probably the biggest one I've seen, and even with the cold weather, everyone's coming out to support it. It's great to see it.
Let's go!